What's up, guys? Well, I hate to interrupt that cool little intro sequence I had there, but if you haven't been paying attention to my social media, I'm at a Ford dealership somewhere in the middle of nowhere in Tennessee. Yeah, terrible news today as my truck decided to break down for the first time ever in owning it, and the first problem I ever had. This morning as I was on my way to Atlanta, driving through and the battery light came on. I'm like, no big deal, but we're gonna go to AutoZone. Went to AutoZone, ran the voltometer, and battery and alternator came back great. So we're like, okay, cool, must be just a wire short, let's keep on going. So as I continued to drive, I had to stop to get gas. And keep in mind that I've stopped and started the truck like 3 times since this light came on, so I'm thinking no big deal. Well, I fill up its shell and then all of a sudden the truck doesn't start, it's completely dead. So I'm like, just my luck. So ended up getting a good Samaritan, came by, jumped the truck for me, and I was off and running. But I told myself, okay, I'm gonna go to a Ford dealership just to get it checked out because obviously there's more problems here than just a faulty wire. Pull into the Ford dealership and the entire truck just takes a shit. No gauges, no ABS, no power steering, everything just stopped working. Went in, talked to the dude, said they were extremely booked, but he'll fit me in. So I've now been here nearly 3 hours, and I could have been where I was supposed to be in Atlanta by now, but instead I'm still here. But you've got to stay positive. Everything happens for a reason, and there's nothing that I can do. Sadly, it's a $900 fix for a new alternator, labor, new belt, and everything of the such. So not the best news, but like I said, what are you gonna do? Because that's life. Let's just continue to roll right on through today's video. You see, as humans, we're lazy. We look for ways to do things the easiest way possible. Now, certain days we wake up, we do nothing all day, and we feel okay with that. Other days we wake up, we work our ass off all day, we're active, we're working, we're trying to better ourselves, but yet it still doesn't feel like that's enough. So where does perfection come in when it comes to that? You see, the way that I look at perfection is that it's physically, mentally impossible to be perfect in anything, in any way, shape, or form. You might know the quote by Vince Lombardi. It says, "Perfection is not attainable, but if we chase perfection, we can catch excellence." Let's let that sink in for a moment. Now see, although perfection is unattainable, it's great to strive for that perfection. Because although it's unattainable, striving to be perfect means that you are trying to better yourself each and every day. Now every day that we wake up, we are striving to be better, or at least we should be. And striving to be perfect allows us to chase what we want, to always continue to create our own story and create something that is bigger than ourselves. Because although perfection is not obtainable, it leads us closer to the end result of always improving. And that is what allows us to be different. Those who wish to be lazy can be lazy. Those who wish to work can work. We all have days in which we feel a certain way. The point of perfection is this: don't wait to start something. Don't wait for something to happen. The time is right here and right now. Perfection is not attainable. So what are you waiting for? Talk to that girl. Quit the job. Go on vacation. Write that blog. The time is right here, right now. There's no need to even watch any more of this video because the time is now. I'm ending this right here. I'll see you guys tomorrow at Road Atlanta. Remember, you create your own story.